Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we make coal seam with the help of bend ratio of Landsat 8. Here you can see these two ratios will be used for highlight the coal seam area, and in the RGB color composite the band 6, 5 and 3, these three bands will be used in a color composite. When we get from color composites to the white or light gray area indicate the presence of coal seam. So let's be started. We already determined for this area the chromite seam which is near to it. As you can see, the dark green color will be showing the chromite presence of this area nearest. As you can see, this area have nearest the chromite seam. So and we get from our raster calculator for the fraction 6 upon 5. Here the band 6 divided by 5, and here we will be writing as coal seam, and we okay. Then we also make its color composite by adding another band to it. 653. So band 3 will be added to it. It will little take time, so I skip the video. When it's complete, so it will be shown. So as you can see, it will be done. Now you can see here is a abundant area for the coal rather than chromite. As you can see, I will convert it in the stretch form, and then here will be the histogram, equalize, color change, and this color also I am given to it. Okay, so you can see this area have difference to the chromite one. Wait a minute, as I can show you. So this is for the chromite and this for the coal. So coal have more abundant as compared to chromite, as you can see this. So this area is for the coal seam, and if we make its color composite, so here we use band composite. So we use this tool. So viewers, as you can see here, you need to sequence of this which represent here 653. So we move this one upper 653. Okay, now we give is the output where we want to save it, RGB of coal. Okay, so simple. Okay, it will perform. It's little take time, so I little skip it. So viewers, you can see we get this image of RGB color composite, and we will change the band sequence from 1 to 3 to 2 to 1. Okay, so 2 to 1. As you consider this point which have this one, this over area as mentioned in the world file will be showing the color white to light gray, presence of coal seam. So you can see the band ratio compare with this. So this area have highest value, as you can see, with a green, and its color is a white to light gray, and this area also have a abundance of coal seam. You can see its color is a light gray. As you can see, gray color of it. These regions must be the coal. This one and that one. So this tutorial will be ended here, as we showing For more tutorials of minerals and other rocks lithology, you need to subscribe our channel, and if any confusion, so you may ask in comment section. Thank you so much.